Hey guys, thanks for dropping by. I just got this smart lock for my house. Here are some of the features I want to share with you. It has a built-in 2K HD camera with two-way audio. It also has Wi-Fi, so you can remotely monitor who's ringing your doorbell or see if your door is locked or unlocked. It has an all-in-one design and does not require an external hub. Let's unbox this so I can show you what's included with the purchase. If you're installing this on a brand new door, it includes these drilling templates so you have precision installation. The instruction manual was well written and is easy to understand. It includes a lot of illustrations that show you how to install the smart lock and how to set up the software with your mobile devices. It's important that you read it before installing the installation process. You definitely don't want to drill the holes in the wrong places. There's also the second template so you know how the smart lock will look on your door. The front and rear panels of the smart lock is made of metal. It is sturdy and weatherproof. It is also designed for the average user. There isn't any complicated drilling or setup process. The front and rear panels are connected by these two wires. There are 5 different ways of opening the lock. You can use a physical key, your fingerprint, remotely with the app, using the numpad, or using RFID cards. If you want to save the video of who comes to your door, you can insert an SD card over here. The lock is pre-installed with an 8GB memory card. It is also powered by a long-lasting rechargeable lithium battery. It is rated for 10,000 milliamp hours. The mobile app will let you know when the battery is running low. It is recharged by a USB-C charging cord. This is the back panel over here. These 2 buttons over here, the left side will open the lock, while the button on the right will activate the deadbolt. There's also a manual knob that will lock and unlock the deadbolt. This kit includes all the mounting hardware that you need to install this onto your door. The screws are painted black so they match the smart lock. It also comes with this Type-C charging cable. You also get 4 RFID cards. 2 of them are wallet size, and the other 2 are for your keys. Also included is a Phillips screwdriver. The latch assembly and dust box is included in this white box. You also get 2 manual sets of keys. This is a 5-cylinder deadbolt and is considered good quality for home security. It also includes this magnet for the self-locking sensor, which you can set to lock automatically when the door is in a closed position. It took me about 15 minutes to fully install this lock onto my door. The mobile app is compatible with both Apple and Android devices. It also has a long-lasting battery that can last up to a year between charging. However, I was most impressed on the number of ways that I can lock and unlock this deadbolt. I also like the video doorbell that it came with, which allowed me to communicate with whoever was at my door even when I'm not home. It's also compatible with Amazon Alexa. Best of all, it looks great on any door, while at the same time providing you with that peace of mind knowing that your property is secure.